All right. So in the previous video, we saw how to install Oracle VirtualBox. Now, in this video, we'll see the steps that are required to download the Ubuntu ISO image. This image we'll be using to deploy our web server, application server, as well as database server. So for that, we just have to open the browser and search for Ubuntu 18.04 download ISO. So this first search result from Ubuntu that we'll be getting, we can open that, and if we scroll down, we can see the Ubuntu 18.04 desktop ISO. So this we'll be using for our deployment. So just click on it, and here you will see the download has started. So it's around 2.3 GB, and it will take few minutes. So in the meantime, I'll explain why we are using Ubuntu 18.04. So when we are migrating our on-prem server from our on-prem data center to AWS, there are few steps involved in which it does the validations of the existing uh, Ubuntu server. So I'll show you that validations when they are done in the upcoming videos. But during those validation, it checks for the Ubuntu kernel that is being used by that particular server. So currently, AWS is supporting the Linux kernel 5.4. So if we go to Ubuntu, if we go and search for Ubuntu kernel versions. So if we go to this link, release cycle link. So here, if we open this link, we'll see there are certain tabs here. This first is about what are the current releases, and in the second tab, if you see, there are the kernel versions that are used for various releases. So as of now, AWS is supporting kernel 5.4, Ubuntu 18.04. So for migration, for manual migration, when you are doing manual migration, like we are going to see in this uh, various steps involved in manual migration. So in that case, it is supporting 5.4 kernel and Ubuntu 18.04. So that's why we are using this combination for our on-prem, emulating our on-prem environment. So this Ubuntu 18.04 and 5.4. So I think the download is done. So okay, it's going on. So once this is downloaded, in the upcoming videos, we'll see how to deploy this ISO image onto the Oracle Virtual Box and emulate our on-prem um deployment for a three-tier architecture. So pretty exciting stuff coming up. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video.